Hello everyone, this is Venkatesh Anand from Beacon, Bangalore. The topic which I have chosen today is SOLIDWORKS MBD. So many of our customers ask us, is it possible to dimension the hole in MBD in multiple views the same way it is done in 2D drawings as shown? Well, the answer is yes, it can be done. So let's just see how it is done and on hands-on. Let's just move to SOLIDWORKS. So as you can see, we have just take this example, we have designed a SolidWorks cube with countable hole. So let's add a dimension to it using SolidWorks MBD, and we give through size dimension. And now this is one of the view where you can capture the combined hole callout. Now let's take a section view of it and see how to break the callout dimension. So let's take the section view of it, and to break the callout dimension, just right click on the dimension and just click on break callout dimension. As you can see, the dimensions will be broken automatically by SolidWorks, and then you just need to assign the dimensions which is broken to the front view so that you can get the proper view of the dimensions. And let's assign this. Fine, let's take the front view and assign the annotation view to the front. So right click on it and give annotation view as front, and let's do the same thing to the other dimension as well. And now we can position our dimension wherever according to our needs and capture this particular 3D view and export it to 3D PDF. So hope this was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.